Too much mind games in 2025. Too much mind games in 2025. Actually, this is half true, no? Though the fundamentals of the game still hasn't changed. Parehas lang yan as it was way back in the good old days. Kung masyado ka available, ayawan ka ng babae. Kung habol ka ng habol sa babaeng mababa ang interest sa'yo, same lang yun. Busted ka pa din. The fundamentals of dating has not changed. Alam nyo kung ano yung nagbago. Masyado na kasi tayong maraming choices ngayon. Everything is always almost instant. Back in the 90s, syempre wala pa kaming smartphones noon, sobrang limited lang ng choices namin. It's either yung friends nyo around neighborhood, sa school, katrabaho, and that's it. Kung may makita ka na trip mo, or si girl may makita na trip niya, that is it. Ibubuhos na nila yung energy nila sa isa't isa kasi there are no other choices on the menu, right? Wala nang ibang pagpipilian na lalaki si girl. So, ang mangyayari, hindi na masyado itetest na girl si guy. Kasi, why would she test him? He's the best food in the menu, so to speak. Hindi tulad ngayon na literal, all around the world na yung choices natin. And that is because of social media. So how does this impact the so-called game? Simple lang yan. Kung maraming choices sa babae, mas marami siyang pagpipilian na mas gwapo sa'yo. Kasi andyan yung Instagram, yung Facebook, yung online dating apps. And of course, syempre, we cannot deny na mas marami pang mas gwapo sa atin. In other words, mas marami pang guys sa mundo that she has a level 5 attraction or higher towards. Isa pang nagpapakomplika sa game natin ngayon ay yung tinatawag nating instant messaging. Back in the day kasi, like what I said, wala kaming smartphones noon. So, wala rin kaming instant messaging. So, nangyayari, nag-usap lang kami na kapag literal, may time yung isa't isa sa amin, which is very scarce. And in person kami makipag-usap. I know, syempre, before, meron naman kaming landline. Pero syempre, hindi naman kami pinapayagan ng mga parents namin na telebabad noon. Nagagalit sila kasi syempre yung mga landline is reserved especially for important calls lang. So dahil nga walang instant messaging noon and sobrang dalang lang namin mag-usap, lalo ngayon tumataas yung interest ng babae sa amin. Because they are always thinking about us, missing us. Can't wait to see kung kailan ba kami magkikita ulit. Kaya nagiging mahirap ang dating ngayon dahil dyan. Though the fundamentals are still the same. You just have to level up your dating skills in order to have the woman you really like. And isang way for you to level up your dating skills is of course, follow me dito sa channel ko. Or you can book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.